all, in this video we will be learning Fusion 360 diagram. So here we have Fusion 360 software. So this is the data panel. So here we have the diagrams. So this is like a cloud panel. So in AutoCAD, all the data will be shared or saved in the system itself. But in Fusion 360, it is totally cloud based. Okay, so here are the drawings which I have practiced already. So here it's like it is cloud. So through our domain mail ID, I practiced few diagrams and all these are there here. Okay, so this is the workspace. So the difference between AutoCAD and Fusion 360 is in AutoCAD it's like I have to draw the diagram completely and then I have to change it to a 3D model or a complete 3D design. But in Fusion 360, step by step there we can make the variation. So 2D diagram I can draw in a plane and I can see how it looks like in 3D.
Which of this best?
Yes, okay, actually that's a good question. So AutoCAD is like a basic one. The manufacturer for AutoCAD is Autodesk. Likewise for Fusion 360 also, the manufacturer is Autodesk only. So this is the advanced versions. So when we want to secure job as a mechanical design engineer, we have to learn these two things mainly, and SolidWorks is also important. And the thing is like AutoCAD is a very basic one which was used years before, and Fusion 360 is the latest one. So here we will be having sketch models where we can draw sketches, okay, and we can convert them to solid then and then, okay. And the thing is like here we have the view cube where I can change the top, where I can see the top model, top view of the model, left view of the model, right view, front view. All these models I can view using this view cube. Okay, so in engineering drawing we have drawn the front view, top view, side view and all we have drawn, right? So likewise in the systematic diagram, while drawing using Fusion 360, we can make use of this cube, okay, and we can draw. The thing is like initially it will be little difficult to select the plane, to navigate between the planes and the size views. But after, if we get used to it, then it will be easy. So here we shall get into the diagram. So here we have the option called create sketch. So whenever I click this one, create sketch, I can view three planes. Okay, so this is highlighted. So this is plane, X plane, Y plane and Z plane. For a top plane, left and right we can see. Okay, so if I want to draw a diagram in the top plane or in the bottom plane, means I have to go with this one. So I am selecting this. So now the plane has been selected. The views are at 2D. The views are in what mode now?
2D.
Yeah, 2D. So if I want to convert this into a solid, means which one could I select? No, say for example, I am drawing a rectangle. Okay, so so rectangle I want to draw. Okay, I have three options. One is a 2-point rectangle, 3-point rectangle and the center rectangle. So if I select the center rectangle, I have to keep the cursor here. I simply draw a rectangle. I am giving the size. In AutoCAD, it's like I have to give the size and I have to draw. But here it is like I can draw initially and then I can give the dimensions. Okay, so now I am giving the dimension here as 50 and I give the tab as like AutoCAD, and here I am typing as 100. So it is like a triangle, it is a rectangle and I am giving enter. Okay, so this is the top view. Now after every diagram, okay, so what I have to do, I have to click on finish sketch so that 2D gets exited and I am moving on to solid model or the 3D. So here it is the top view, this is a plane, So in AutoCAD we have used a command called extrude. What is the purpose of that?
Converting 2D.
Okay, so converting 2D into 3D. So here also we have the same command extrude. I am clicking on that and the arrow mark is in the upward direction. So I can extrude the element in the upward side. I am giving 15. Okay, so the rectangle is formed totally. Okay, so this is a very initial step which we have to know in Fusion 360. Okay, so I hope you would have learned. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.